Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Spotify account to Discord. So here I'm going to show you how you can do it on mobile. If you want to integrate or make your Spotify link into or sync into your Discord, this is what you are going to do. Let's just first launch the Discord apps on your phone. Okay, once the Discord app is open, you can just go to the user settings by tapping on your profile pictures at the bottom, this one's right here, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, this one, and you'll go to the settings page. And now you can just find the connection settings, this one, tap on the connections, and in here you can just tap on add at the top right corner to add the Spotify. And here you can just choose Spotify, tap on Spotify, and in here you'll be directed to your browser. Now you can just log in into your Spotify if you haven't. And after you sign in, what you need to do is just allow Spotify to connect to your Discord. Tap on the agree at the bottom, the green one. Okay, I don't know why there is a problem. Let's try again. Okay, I think the server is error, but that's basically how you can link or sync your Spotify into Discord. So once you've connected your accounts to your Spotify account to Discord, you can display your Spotify activity on Discord. You can show your friends what you currently listening to on your Discord profile, and you can also listen together. You can invite friends to listen to music together in a voice channel using Spotify listen along feature. So by connecting Spotify to Discord, you can enhance your social experience on the platform, and you can also share your musical interests with your friends. So that's basically all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, also click on a thanks. Bye.